In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your photo into retro style in the Google Gemini Windows app. Open the Gemini app on your Windows computer so you're ready to go. The flow is simple. We'll upload a photo, write a precise style prompt, press enter, and give the app a moment to process. Start by clicking the plus sign in the chat or composer area to upload your photo. Pick a clear image where the subject is well lit and in focus. Higher resolution photos usually produce cleaner stylization. JPEG or PNG works well. Always use images you own or have permission to edit, especially if other people appear in the shot. With the photo attached, craft your prompt in the message box. You can paste or type something like this. Transform this photo into a retro vintage aesthetic from the 1980s to 1990s. Keep the subject's face and identity accurate, but restyle the image with film grain, faded colors, warm tones, slight color bleed, and analog camera imperfections. Add a soft glow, subtle light leaks, a touch of dust, and an overall nostalgic mood. Use vintage fashion tones, muted contrast, and slightly overexposed highlights. Simulate old film photography, even a Kodak Portra or VHS feel, with soft blur and natural imperfections. Make the background match a retro environment, such as neon lights, old city streets, or a vintage room. Aim for high detail, a cinematic composition, realistic yet nostalgic vibes, and crisp 4K quality. The key is to be specific about the era, the texture, and how natural you want the face to remain, so the identity stays true while the style changes around it. When your prompt looks right, press enter. That sends both the image and your instructions to Gemini so it can interpret the style cues and begin generating the retro look. Now wait for a moment while the app processes your request. Generation time can vary based on your internet connection and the size of the photo. Larger files and more detailed prompts may take a bit longer. Keep the window open and avoid navigating away until the result appears. Once it loads, look for the hallmarks of the effect: gentle film grain, warmer tones, subtle leaks, and that slightly overexposed analog charm. That's it. Upload, describe the retro vibe clearly, press enter, and let Gemini deliver a nostalgic, film-inspired version of your photo.